guys, we have actually pets simulator in Roblox. We have frog with frogs, tiger with lion, masked owl with cat, Happy Meal with I don't know. Comment down below if you know. Panda with chicken. Cat with a bell. With what's that again? Whatever. Sheep with I don't know. Pig with a shark. I don't know, with frogs. Whatever, I don't know. We have a simulator made in Roblox. Oh my god.
I'm a little confused here. If no one in the kitchen, what's on the cake?
We have simulator you in Macau. So guys, what's your favorite in all of this? Comment down below what's your favorite. Like and subscribe. Bye. Bye. Alonso's watching in the TV.